For question number 39, we see in student 2's explanation the heat capacity of each cylinder equals SH of the metal times the mass of the cylinder. Out here, we have a new solid cylinder made of metal X, which is half as long as cylinder X but has the same cross-sectional area as cylinder X. If it is half as long, it would also have half its mass. So we can see out here the HC of cylinder X is equal to SH times mass of cylinder X, as we just saw in student 2's explanation. Now, since its length is half of the new cylinder, the mass of the new cylinder also would be half the mass. If you were to find out the HC, heat capacity of the new cylinder, it would equal SH, which is the same, times half the mass of cylinder X. Now we have to compare the HC of the new cylinder to cylinder X and find out the ratio. So we divide this left hand side and right hand side by the HC of cylinder X, which is SH into mass of cylinder X, the first equation out here. Then we have, when we cancel out mass of cylinder X and mass of cylinder X and the SH, and we're left with HC over of the new cylinder over the HC of the cylinder X, which is equal to half. And finally, HC of the new cylinder is going to be half the HC of cylinder X. So if we look at out here, if you look out here, the HC of the new cylinder would be half as great. Hence, option B is the correct answer.